Doesn't that hurt? Ronan, look at me. Come here. Wait, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Come back in here.
Dada. You got that at the circus yesterday.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Here, look. Come here. Hold it.
All right. See you later, bud.
Where are you going? Come here.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He wants to hug Dada. Oh, he wants to look.
Oh, you want to look?
Look.
He wants
Look.
to look.
Bye-bye.
Look,
Bye-bye.
there's Mama. See it?
Hi.
See Mama? Isn't that cool?
Just like you see me out here, Bubby. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. You want to come here? Come to Mama. Come here. Look, here.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, you want to take control?
Is it going to be Ronan Cam?
All right.
Ronan.